Well, well. Another box from Vessel has came in this lovely day. Hasn't got above 25 degrees here in Maryland. We're made our way in the back of the shop to finish this project up. Got her going through her heat cycles real quick. It's just now starting to get warm. Still got to do some final touches, buttoning the snorkel up. We'll touch on that a little bit in this video. Vent lines, we'll tackle that in this video. The main thing is these floorboards. We're about to hop on this real quick and try to get this buttoned up so we can start the big Viking build. You see a little bit of that snow out there still. Supposed to get some maybe tonight, tomorrow, but catch back up with you after I get one side put together. One side put together. And this right here is a prime example of what you should do your preventative maintenance. We didn't know that was milky. But now we do. Time to change it. Brand new bottle. I'm gonna do a little flush. A little flush here. See how much yellow that is? Always check your top bolt and your top fill bolt and your top full bolt before you pull your drain bolt. And you see it's starting to change color there now. So give her a minute and let her do her thing, and then I'll hop on the front, let that one start draining, and then I'll jump back to this one and fill it. So I threw that bottom drain plug back in. I'm about to actually started pouring a little bit in here. I'm actually just waiting for it to come back out now of the check hole. Cold and this is thick, so it's taking a minute. So snorkel's all dried up. We skipped the boring part of sealing it up and all that. We'll show you the smoke test real quick, nice and easy, from Vevor or however you say it. This Vessel snorkel kit. We're gonna see if she's sealed up good and tight. got vessel lift, vessel floorboards, vessel snorkel, rubber ducks everywhere. Tarachi axles, 60% gear reduction. Now, old boy needs some tires and wheels. And I'm trying to tell him he needs 34s, but he's saying 32s. Drop down in the comments.
What's the best tire?
What y'all think? 60% gear reduction, 420 Rancher. Let's argue about it. We're going to figure this one out. We need to figure this out. We're about to order tires.